So, you've been hanging out with your guy and something feels off. He's acting weird, maybe distant or overly quiet, but you're not sure why. Well, buckle up because you're about to get the 10 signs a guy is jealous but pretending he's not. Now, society tells us that men should be chill, cool, calm, and collected. But what if I told you that behind that I'm totally fine act, he's actually boiling with jealousy? Yeah, no one's immune. But here's the kicker. He'll never admit it. Why? Well, because apparently, showing jealousy is like admitting weakness. And men are all about that I'm not emotional vibe. Sign number 1. He diminishes your accomplishments. You've worked hard for your success, but when you share it with him, he acts like it's no big deal. Instead of celebrating you, he tries to make it seem like your achievement doesn't matter. This is a classic jealousy move, a way to make himself feel better by downplaying your wins. When someone's envious, they'll never acknowledge your strengths. You'll be lucky if you get a simple congratulations. No. Instead, expect comments that make you feel like your hard work isn't worth anything. Sign number 2. He's not happy when you talk about someone else. Whether it's a funny story or admiring someone else, he suddenly becomes cold. He may pretend to listen, but you can feel the tension. That's jealousy rearing its ugly head. He might even excuse himself to talk to someone else or act like he's just busy. But deep down, his jealousy is boiling. Sign number 3. He becomes super nice. Now this one might sound odd. If he's already nice, that's fine. But if he suddenly turns up the charm, it might be because he's feeling insecure. If he thinks he's losing you to someone else, he might try to win you back with kindness. It's all about regaining control and reassurance. Sign number 4. He manipulates you. Subtle at first, but if you're not careful, he'll start pushing you to make decisions that benefit him, often at your expense. His jealousy makes him think he can control your choices, all while pretending to help you. His actions will leave you questioning your own decisions, making you doubt what's best for you. Sign number 5. He talks bad about you. Envious people don't have it in them to say something good about you. Instead, expect gossip and criticism. He'll try to make you look bad to others, just to boost his own self-esteem. And if there's a chance to embarrass you in front of others, he'll take it without hesitation. Sign number 6. He constantly criticizes you. No matter how much you achieve or how good you are, an envious person will always find something wrong with it. They'll put you down, compare you to others, and do everything to make you feel inferior. It's all about bringing you down so they can feel superior. Sign number 7. He starts petty arguments. You try to talk about something, but somehow the conversation always spirals into an argument. It doesn't even make sense, but it's all part of his jealousy. He wants to keep you distracted, frustrated, and in constant conflict. And once he's drained you of all your good energy, he'll walk away, leaving you in a mess of confusion. Sign number 8. He gives you bad advice on purpose. He won't encourage your success. Instead, he'll try to mislead you, steering you towards decisions that hurt you in the long run, all while making you doubt your choices. His goal is simple: to see you fail. Sign number 9. He acts differently to impress you. One day he's tough and macho, the next he's sensitive and smooth. It's a reaction to his insecurity driven by jealousy. He's trying to be someone else to keep your attention on him. If he can't be himself, it's a clear sign that he's worried about losing you. Sign number 10. He becomes your shadow. Suddenly, he's everywhere you go. You bump into him at random places, and he knows where you are without you even telling him. It's not a coincidence, it's jealousy. It's his way of controlling you, making sure he's always around. If you ask for space, expect him to interpret it as you wanting someone else. So does your guy show any of these signs? Don't worry, he's not fooling anyone. Jealousy might be a hidden emotion, but it's never fully disguised. So next time you catch him slipping up, just smile. And remember, he's trying to hide it because, he's not supposed to care.